Bullish iexec cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $5.02 and $10.92 by 2030. Market examiners accept RLC could reach $5.02 by 2025. Bearish iexec market cost expectation for 2022 is 89 cents. iexec presentation. iexec has been functional starting around 2016 and has seen critical development in the two clients and applications. As of late, iexec sent off another item called iexec Studio. This is an all-inclusive resource for all your decentralized registering needs. From here, clients can without much of a stretch form and convey their own blockchain-based applications. iexec Studio makes it simple to get everything rolling with decentralized registering. It gives layouts and devices that simplify it to make and convey your own applications on the blockchain. With iexec Studio, there is compelling reason should be a specialist in blockchain innovation. All you really want is an essential comprehension of how decentralization functions. iexec Studio is only one of the numerous items that iexec offers. Different items incorporate the iexec Workbench, which assists clients with dealing with their register assets, and the iexec Commercial Center, where clients can trade process assets. With these devices, iexec is making it simpler than at any other time for individuals to take part in the decentralized economy. What is iexec? iexec is driving the way as far as blockchain-based decentralized figuring. The organization has fostered a stage that permits individuals to adapt their figuring power using brilliant agreements. This makes it feasible for people and associations to trade registering power on the open market. Notwithstanding this creative commercial center model, iexec likewise upholds applications in fields, for example, huge information handling, medical care research, computerized reasoning turn of events, delivering administrations, and fintech applications. iexec basic investigation. iexec takes care of a gigantic issue for the crypto local area through its original decentralized stage, which welcomes the commitment of registering power and assets. With the development of the crypto market, there is no question that iexec will keep on assuming a significant part. One burden of iexec, and an enormous one, is that the decentralization of figuring assets would expand the carbon impression of the crypto local area. Security. With iexec, the constraints related with brilliant agreements, particularly inside the Ethereum blockchain, and security, network, and versatility will be a relic of past times. iexec conveys the confided in execution climate, which gets code respectability and security. Joint efforts. iexec has collaborated with Chainlink to take into consideration off-chain figuring. Was an establishing individual from the relationship for the improvement of computerized resource, and added to the coding of the Avalon project. iexec has banded together with Nash, MoonPay, Kaiko, and Argent and took part in Google and NVIDIA programs, among others. iexec has joined forces with Intel's advances and has the support of the French SEC. These organizations add to the strength and practicality of iexec. iexec current cost. iexec is presently worth $1.11 USD. RLC has moved 0.54% as of now with an exchanging volume of $9,381,142. iexec is presently positioned 186 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $90,271,532 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for iexec to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize continuous iexec market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. iexec value expectation 2022. iexec, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The RLC cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $1.67. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.56 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. RLC is supposed to have a base worth of $1.34. iexec value expectation 2023. In 2023, iexec RLC cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of RLC will before long outperform $2.79. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the RLC's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, RLC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $2.23 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.45. iexec Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $3.90 and RLC might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. RLC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.57 and a low of $3.34 in 2024. iexec Value Forecast 2025. On the off chance that iexec effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the RLC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, RLC will be green in 2025. The RLC is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $5.02, with a base cost of $4.46 and a typical cost of $4.68. iexec Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the RLC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.80 by 2026, with a base cost of $5.57 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, RLC has a most extreme value worth of $6.13. iexec Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.91. On the off chance that RLC figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $7.24. Neglecting to assemble the help RLC needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $6.69. iexec Value Forecast 2028. While RLC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $7.80 and a yearly cost close above $8.36 in 2028. iexec Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, iexec will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $8.92 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $9.47, averaging out at $9.14. iexec Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme RLC cost in 2030 is projected to be $10.92 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $10.48. And, with regards to blockchain innovation, there is a great deal of potential for change and development. iexec RLC is one organization that is attempting to carry this possibility to completion. With their decentralized stage, they can offer clients various benefits over conventional